Graphic design is the best skill you can study if you are an artist and want to improve yourself to create an identity. For example, using the combination of business and art perspective to generate advertising and to be, like a professional commercial artist. But if you are a graphic designer, did you ask yourself what is next? Are you identifying yourself as a graphic designer all your life? Hi, Andy Bonder here, and today I will tell you why you should always learn new skills and why finding your own obstacles is a great way to grow yourself. After finishing school, I started to learn the graphic design at the Academy of Art and Design. This time I got my first clients. I created more than 100 logotypes and more than 20 complex identities. But I didn't want to be a 60 years old graphic designer making 1000 logotypes per day. If it's a no-go for you as well, I can recommend you to find a way to grow their responsibility. What you can do more for each project you are working with. Developing new skills and tools is an excellent way to transform yourself from tool-oriented designer to a result-oriented specialist. You can use many skills or tools to make graphic design better. To break out the limitation of essential graphic design tools like Illustrator or Photoshop. One of the most critical skills for a graphic designer today is a motion design. It doesn't mean that you need to be a professional motion designer, but you should learn at least the basic. Believe me, the basic level of After Effects make you very competitive. You can move everything you can imagine and create in static. For example, you can create a presentation of your identity in motion. It will look more expensive and impress the clients or partners. Yes, you can work with the external motion design studio. Still, the basic level allows you to use the plugins, for example. It will speed up the time you will spend on this. Suppose you are making a digital identity or digital advertising. In this case, you can use your motion skills to create moving brand elements that can be used on the screens or in YouTube videos. If you are a presentation designer, you can create a moving story that will be more complicated than basic tools of Keynote app allows you to do. Even if you are making a Google slide presentation, you can create your own GIF files you can use there. It will help you to make the accents or to highlight the text and elements on the presentation slides. As a graphic designer, you can create the concept for the website. It's necessary to be a professional UI designer making substantial design systems. Still, suppose we are talking about the landing page or informational website where identity does matter. In that case, you can finish look and feel using your motion design. It can be a motion of interactive elements and brand elements that you can put like GIF file, MP4 or vector animation. What about a packaging design? You can use basic motion to show all sides of your product in one slide. Also, for packaging, you can learn 3D graphics. Yes, it's a more specific skill, and you can't use this like motion almost everywhere. Still, I don't understand the packaging designer who doesn't know at least one app, Blender. It's the perfect tool for modeling and it's free. But what about identity designers? Well, you have two cases you can use 3D in your workflow. First, you can use 3D graphics as a part of a brand identity system if it's necessary. You can make the latter in 3D and create symbols, abstract graphics, brand heroes, brand elements, etc. The second idea is to use 3D for the presentation. You can create amazing mockups by yourself and show identity elements in the interior. For example, to make the chair from the letters or other details you can print in 3D printer. And there are only two examples of how you can scale yourself as a graphic designer, the motion and 3D graphics. And you can choose one of them and start to learn. Or you can start to learn something different. For example, if you desire to be a teacher, you can upgrade your teaching skills. Or you want to work a little bit more with the business side to develop your strategy skills or soft skills and management. Maybe you can be a great designer making movies or exhibition conceptual design. The only one thing that matters is you have to find your own obstacles you are ready to work with to upgrade your responsibility level. And it's not one-time action. It's a mindset that helps many great people never stop. Thank you for watching. Please write a comment below about what graphic designers should learn. I will be glad to discuss with you. Like, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.